Hi everybody, this is Kevin with Garrison Dental Solutions, and I want to show you a little bit about our cervical matrix system today. The big part that you see on the screen actually is just the little handle, the matrix. You can see it's just a transparent little matrix to be used for class 5 restorations. I'm holding it by this little post. I'll show you some different ways that you can attach it to the handle, but I wanted to show you, notice how the edges are really thin. What that allows you to do is as you press this up against the tooth, the edges will flex to adapt and seal the composite, whereas the middle part will not get pushed into the restoration and create a dent in there because it's thicker in the middle. One end of the handle is set up to receive that post straight on, okay? So like if you were doing a class 5 farther up on the anterior, that position is very nice, right? Kind of a direct press up against the tooth. The other end of the handle, we can actually put the post in there either direction, so I can have it applied this way, or it could be, flipped around the opposite direction, depending on if you're trying to reach way around to the posterior. I'm actually going to put it in this way for the restoration that we're going to do here in a minute, just because it'll be convenient for me to have my hand out of the way so my assistant here can cure. I've got a little class 5, and the technique for the cervical matrix is to press that gingival edge of the band firmly against the tooth. If you have to slide it a little bit subgingivally, it will do that. Fill it and then roll it up onto the tooth so that you're squeezing any excess out of the incisal edge of the band. We want to get that where it's easy to access, easy to clean up. Let's pretend that we have this already etched and bonded and ready to go. Let's pretend that your assistant just injected that composite while you were holding your matrix in place. And then I'm going to roll this up and then go ahead and cure right through that. The slightly blue tint of that does not impact the curing light performance, and the matrix itself imparts a very, very smooth surface on the composite and eliminates the air-inhibited layer. So we got a little bit of flash to clean up, but none subgingivally, and then a minor polish and we're ready to go. The Cervical Matrix, Garrison Dental Solutions.